G'day and welcome to another Aussie Traveller video. Today I wanted to show off a product that I am absolutely wrapped with. This here is your compact rechargeable vacuum cleaner. As you can see, it is so small and easy to use. Simply swivel handle, trigger finger action here to actually turn it on and off. Simple little attachment which goes onto the nose of it. This here I love. It's got your bristles so you can get into those fine places and loosen up any dirt, and then slide it back and you have a nice, neat, narrow nozzle that gets into those hard to reach places. It's got it internally, got a little filter here so that way when you're using it, it's not blowing all the dust and dirt back into your face, and it can be simply charged off a USB charge cable. The lithium battery has a 30-minute run time, and more importantly, with the amount of power this has, it'll clean up sand. So I've got to get stuck into it because guess what? The kids don't clean up after themselves. Excuse me.